This is the world's first microcurrent acne treatment device, and I already put it to use and it worked for me. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm going to talk about the technology, my experience, so you can see if there's something that would work for you. Hi everyone, this is Darcy, and today I'm going to talk about the newest release from ZIIP, the ZIIP DOT, which is a microcurrent device that combines microcurrent and nanocurrent to help treat acne. The microcurrent on the ZIIP DOT is not for facelifting. It is for acne healing, and help with reduce inflammation, help with swelling. It also helps with the active bacteria so your breakouts heal faster. And because it has nanocurrent, it will also help with redness, it will help recover your skin barrier, help to calm your skin, promote healing, it will give you a glow. It will also help with acne scars as well. Even though I'll be 48 years old in a couple of months, I still suffer from acne. I have acne-prone skin, I have rosacea, and I actually had something this week that I was able to use it on. So I had a whitehead that was turning into an acne breakout, and it was right here on the corner of my nose. You know, those are super painful. And often when I poke on them, they become inflamed, and then it turns into this giant acne, and it lasts forever. So I decided to put the ZIIP DOT to the test. First, I used it, which I'm going to show them on this video, and it helped immediately to calm down the inflammation. And then I did a little extraction because it was a whitehead, and it had some gunk in there, which I'm going to show the photo here. So I wiggle it out, did the extraction. It really worked amazing to zap the acne on its tracks and also to help calm down the inflammation and heal it. This is going to be my go-to device when I have any of those pesky acne breakouts. And this is nice because you can spot treat it, and you can also treat a larger area, which I'm going to show on this video as well. Also going to pop here some before and afters so you can see which kind of results you can get with different types of acne. The benefits of the ZIIP DOT is that it treats acne in 90 seconds. You can use in a single spot or you can use all over the face. It calms the skin and reduces redness. Pocket size, so perfect on the go. You do not need to use it with any apps. It reduces acne by 44% in 12 weeks. It helps rebalance your skin microbiome and reduces inflammation by 87%. It also helps with blackheads by 49%. It also helps products absorb 120%. So when you're using the ZIIP gel, you're helping all the ingredients absorb deeper to your skin for even better results. ZIIP also released a new ZIIP gel, and this is the ZIIP Clear Gel. It has aloe vera, cucumber, mint, and a lot of great ingredients to help with acne breakouts and inflammation, and you need to use this when you do your treatments. There's two ways you can use your ZIIP DOT. You can use in one single acne breakout, or you can use all over the face. Make sure you use in a fully cleansed face. Apply 2 to 3 pumps of the gel on the area that you're treating, and make sure that you have both of the electrodes always in contact with your skin, and then you can go clockwise and anti-clockwise until it turns it off. To do the 90-second treatment, press the power button once. It will beep and it will light up. It will automatically start on the treat mode, and it will do that for 60 seconds. You can do clockwise and counterclockwise on the area that you have your acne, and you will feel a tingle on the treat mode. It will beep after 60 seconds and will automatically start the calm mode for 20 seconds. And it will turn off automatically when the treatment is done. To do the full face treatment, it will last 6 minutes. Press and hold the power button until it beeps and lights up. It will start on the treat mode for 4 minutes. You can do all over the face, doing counterclockwise and clockwise movements all over the face. After 4 minutes, it will beep and automatically start the calm mode for the last 2 minutes, and then it will turn off automatically. How often to use it will depend on the type of acne that you have, but you should see some results even from the first use. If you have one single acne, you can use it in one spot 2 to 4 days in a row, then give a 2-day break and repeat it if needed. If you have a very stubborn acne, same thing. Use 2 to 4 days in a row, wait 2 days in between, and then repeat if you need it. If you have a full face of acne, you can treat no more than 3 times a week and make sure you leave a day in between. If you have just occasional acne, you can use a couple times a week as a way to prevent it and also to help deal with acne scars or repair your skin barrier. It also comes in many cool colors. The yellow one, which I think is super cute. You have the purple one, you have the white one, and you have the gray one. If you're interested on the ZIIP DOT or any of the ZIIP devices or gels, make sure to use my coupon code to save some money, and I'll leave all the information and affiliate links on the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.